secret nobody tells you. This is the ultimate sizzling cheese meatball spaghetti. Let's make the meatball mixture. We need 400 grams of lean beef mince, squeezed onion, garlic, and green chilies, lemon juice, chicken powder, salt, and let's make the meatballs. I take a small portion, 45 grams, roll it into a smooth ball. Look, this recipe makes 12 equal meatballs. They are ready to fry. Now we fry them on a medium flame. Cook until they are golden brown on all sides. Let's make the sauce with some chopped onions and garlic. Now add pureed tomatoes and mix it well. We need to cook this for 2 minutes. Now add seasonings, pepper, chili, and parsley. Pour in some water and mix it. Now add the meatballs gently to the sauce. Cover and simmer on low flame. Wow, the meatballs look perfect in the rich sauce. Now sizzle some spaghetti on high heat. Add some parsley and water and mix well. Add the meatballs and cover with cheeses. Wow, look at that epic cheese pull. This looks absolutely delicious. You definitely have to try this recipe. What I call a perfect meal. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun recipes. See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye! See you next time!